Well, it is Thursday, and we're quickly coming to an end of another busy week here at our law firm. This morning, I was in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and then I shot over to Philadelphia, and I was there for a hearing as well. With that said, tomorrow is Friday, and as every Friday, we come out with our weekly update, which goes out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. This week, our law firm did focus a lot on traffic stops, so our weekly update, again, will focus on that. It's important to understand that there's been a lot of talk in the criminal defense world, especially in Pennsylvania, with regards to warrantless searches following the ruling by the Pennsylvania Supreme Court that warrantless searches are once again illegal in Pennsylvania. Now, with that said, up in 2014, up until just last month, warrantless searches were allowed, meaning that if the officer had probable cause, if he or she had reason to believe that there was a crime occurring and the evidence of that crime was in the vehicle, they could search the car without a warrant, and the mobility of the car itself was considered an exigent circumstance. That wasn't always the case in Pennsylvania. Now, recently, that's been overturned, and now, once again, we are back to the pre-2014 standard where warrantless searches are illegal in Pennsylvania. Now, understand that police officers can find ways around that. The first way around it is if the person gives consent to search the vehicle. So what I always say is never give consent to search the vehicle. When you do that, it negates all of your constitutional rights under the Pennsylvania and US Constitution. The second way is the plain view doctrine. If the officer sees something in plain view, like a gun or drugs or drug paraphernalia, he or she can seize that, and they don't need a warrant to do so. In addition, with regards to searches incident to arrest, if you are being arrested and you are out of the vehicle and the officer intends to take you away and impound your car, they can do what's called an inventory search, and they do not need a warrant for that. Further, there is federal case law which talks about warrantless searches, and it will be interesting to see how Pennsylvania courts view that with regards to people stopped fitting the description who are assumed dangerous based on some anonymous tip or some flash report about men in the area doing something vicious or violent. Does the officer have probable cause to search the vehicle purely for officer safety? And that will be very interesting given the fact that the Pennsylvania Supreme Court has ruled warrantless searches illegal, but there's always exceptions. And one of the biggest exceptions that we see is police officers' safety. So if you have questions about warrantless searches in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, remember the law is different in New Jersey, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos, everything that I've ever written as a lawyer is available there. You can sign up for our newsletter, which goes out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. It's a great resource to have in your weekend. It's a comprehensive roundup of all of our latest content, our videos, our blogs, and it gives links to everything on our website. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Thursday afternoon. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all very soon.